Meet me at the hotel room. Girl got your boyfriend and you can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. Girl got your boyfriend and you can bring your girlfriends and
Oh, look who's here! The Mother of Dragons!
I'm a fat fucking pig.
I'm a common fungus.
I'm a disgruntled skunk, shoot you out my butthole. I'm a marijuana plant, I can get you fucked up. And I'm
Posso bem sou, não cessa do fim de semana.
Girls, we have some bad news.
What?
Everyone who has a grandma, step forward. Not so fast, girls.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I had you looking in the wrong section. How could I be so stupid? I checked this out weeks ago, for a bit of like reading.